Large-flowered trillium. Family, Trilliaceae. Flowering period, April to early May. Description, robust perennial to 20 inches, wall of 3 large sessile leaves at summit of stem. Bright white flowers held conspicuously above leaves, subtended by 3 green sepals. Distribution, statewide, in most counties but reaching peak abundance in extensive wooded areas. Habitat, rich woods, typically in association with diverse wildflower assemblages. Notes, the petals, sepals, and leaves of trillium are in threes. Very rarely, 4-parted, quadrillium, forms occur. This conspicuous common wildflower became Ohio's state wildflower in 1986. Huge stands of blooming large-flowered trilliums are breathtaking. However, white-tailed deer also like them and gobble trilliums like candy. With age, the flowers turn pink. As with other trilliums, and some major seed dispersers.
The green frog is the most abundant and widely distributed frog in Ohio. Scientifically speaking, only members of the Ranidae family are true frogs. In Ohio, this includes the bullfrog, green frog, northern and southern leopard frogs, pickerel frog, and wood frog. The others belong to the Hylidae family, which includes the tree frogs, chorus frogs, and cricket frog. In general, frogs tend to have moist, relatively smooth skin and leap. Description: the green frog has 2 ridges or lateral folds down the back which, along with size, separate it from the bullfrog. Tadpoles closely resemble bullfrog tadpoles, but are smaller. They do not change into adult frogs until the second summer. They are usually 2.25 to 3.5 inches long, and are members of the Ranidae family. Reproduction: eggs are fertilized externally and attached to aquatic plants in smaller clusters. No parental care is involved. Peak breeding activity occurs from April through August. Habitat and behavior: this frog is very aquatic and stays near water season after season. It starts singing long after other frogs have stopped breeding, and its song sounds like the plucking of a bass string on a banjo at well-spaced intervals. When disturbed, it utters a short, high-pitched cry as it dives into the water. The green frog typically eats invertebrates. A bumblebee is any of over 250 species in the genus Bombus, part of Apidae, one of the bee families. This genus is the only extant group in the tribe Bombini, though a few extinct related genera are known from fossils. Wikipedia. Scientific name, Bombus. Class, Insecta. Domain, Eukaryota. Family, Apidae. Genus, Bombus, Latreille, 1802. Kingdom, Animalia. Yellow jacket or yellow jacket is the common name in North America for predatory social wasps of the genera Vespula and Dolichovespula. Members of these genera are known simply as wasps in other English-speaking countries. Domain, Eukaryota. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Arthropoda. Class, Insecta. Order, Hymenoptera. Family, Vespidae. Subfamily, Vespinae. Podophyllum peltatum is an herbaceous perennial plant in the family Berberidaceae. Its common names are mayapple, American mandrake, wild mandrake, and ground lemon. It is widespread across most of the eastern United States and southeastern Canada. Scientific name: Podophyllum peltatum. Family: Berberidaceae. Hardiness zone: zones 3 to 8. Genus: Podophyllum. Kingdom: Plantae. Order: Ranunculales.